Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that you are also fit and fine. I'm also great by the grace Almighty Bhagwan. Right now I am staying actually Begum K University, Rangpur. As you can see, it's morning weather, actually foggy weather. As you can see. Hello brother.
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm fine. And
Uh,
you?
I'm also great by the grace Almighty Bhagavan. We are going to actually Walmart playing football or other games. Actually, morning time we are exercise now. Okay, actually
Only
exercise.
not exercise. This is our uh,
Oh, we are actually mass mate. As you can see, it's my junior brother, and as you can see, it's uh, playing game. There are different player. Actually, two teams group up. Uh, as you can see, it's foggy weather. As you can see, it's Walmart. As you can see, he's my friend. His name Ashok. Hello brother, how are you? Hello brother, how are you?
Oh, I am fine. And you?
Okay, I am also great. Right now I am staying Walmart. Actually, we are playing football. As you can see, we are match mate, senior and junior. But we are unity and playing game and enjoyable. As you can see, we are match mate, senior junior.
How are you?
He's my brother, actually little brother. His name Sagar Sen. How are you, brother?
I am fine. And you?
I am also great. As you can see, we are enjoyable in this moment. Actually, it's foggy weather. As you can see, it's Begum K University Hall Field. Okay, thanks for watching my another video. Okay.